Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a hair coloring tutorial for you. We are going red. I've been wanting to go red for a while, and this is going to be my first time using Got2b Glue's hair color, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. So this is everything that comes in the box, and we're also going to be using some Vaseline to protect the lace. And the hair that we're actually using is an old wig that I've had from Westkiss Hair for over 4 or 5 years now. And if you've seen the thumbnail, you see that we are gonna go ahead and recreate Kirah's burgundy red hair. This hair looks so good on her, so I definitely wanted to try it out. And I'll definitely be sure to leave all the hair details and all the hair coloring deets below in the description for you guys. So if this is your first time dyeing a wig, a lace front wig, or any wig dealing with lace, I will say that this is going to be your most crucial step. You're going to need to create some sort of barrier so that dye doesn't seep through. Even when applying the dye, you'll see further that it does get messy and some of the dye does get inside of the cap a little bit, but I will say that having some sort of barrier and applying some sort of Vaseline on the lace is going to be better than not applying anything. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that Vaseline from ear to ear on that lace. And this is going to be what it looks like after all of that Vaseline is applied. So this is the hair the next morning after I've just let it air dry. I love the way the color turns out, and you guys see the roots. They are a little tinted, but I know it would have been way worse if I did not use that Vaseline, so it did protect some. And guys, as I'm doing this voiceover, I just remembered that my hair dryer broke, so please leave some recommendations for some hair dryers, because the one that I had, it was so many years old, so it was on its last leg. love. So if you made it this far into the video, this is pretty much it for the hair tutorial. Let me know in the comments if I nailed the hair color, if this is something that you would try. I'm gonna go ahead and also show you guys what the hair looks like in the sun. I really adore this color. It came out so pretty. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.